They won't let them go. We pay and we pay and we pay and we pay. And they won't let them go. Yesterday when I got arrested, this is what it's supposed to have happened. There were supposed to be 3 what they call infinity checks coming in. That have came in. They needed 3 signatures and my fingerprints. Only they didn't know which fingerprint that they needed. As I said before, I had to sign 3 times. Even whenever I was leaving. And still for jail purposes only. You shut up, motherfucker. Some of these guys are, that's all they know. That's all they know is rape. All they know. The police, that's all they know. And it's all over that rodeo arena right there because they know that they were wrong from the get-go because Bumgarner told me we don't have to be ready for a human trafficking situation. And I won't never forget him saying that shit to me. Excuse my language. Because I got post-traumatic stress disorder, they thought that I might, forget. Let's see, they're trying to pull this crap that they did and give me a competency evaluation and assume that I need to be on medication. These are people that are addicted to anything. And it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. We're not going to go through this crap no more. You see that's why we need I need their surveillance. So consider your surveillance confiscated, everybody. It's everybody in town that's got a camera. Your surveillance is mine for court. I got guys to put on. I don't know what I got to do to get somebody here to help me get my sons. I don't know what I got to do. I don't know what we got to do to get these cops out of here. They cater to the pedophile. And as I said before, there's the city of Seminole, and then there's the city. And then there's the city of Seminole Police Department. And the city of Seminole Police Department has about, 5 departments? 5 inside departments, long addresses. One is on 2nd Street. There's actually 4 of them. And there's one on University. I think 2 on University. 2 on the left side and 2 on the right. There's one on C Street. There's one on Seminole Street. When I move, you move. There ain't nobody behind me, see? I have all my teeth. I have all my teeth. They're real. I didn't know my eye was that bad. So good morning, America. better pray to God. Everybody. I swear to God. You better pray to God that my boys are alright. Especially y'all niggers. You cracker bitches. Excuse my language again.